Julie is behind Ken.
So, Edwin is going to throw the ball at the tower, which is kinetic to kinetic, and then the tower is going to hit the box, hitting the Jenga pieces, which is kinetic to kinetic again. And then the Jenga pieces are going to work as dominoes, and then hit the can, and the can is going to fall on the dominoes, which, when the Jenga pieces hit the can, is kinetic to kinetic. Kinetic to gravitational potential energy sound. And then in the DS games are going to work as dominoes. And they're going to hit the Jenga pieces here at the end, which is kinetic to kinetic, and then the Jenga pieces are going to hit the golf ball, making the golf ball go into the cover.